Looking for your next dream vacation on the Turkish Riviera? Let me take you through everything you need to know about Barut Goia Deluxe Hotel, a stunning 5-star all-inclusive resort nestled in the beautiful coastal town of Alanya. This place has been making waves in the hospitality scene since it opened its doors back in 2012, and after a major renovation in 2023, it's looking better than ever. With over 12,000 reviews on Booking.com and an impressive 9.3 rating, this resort clearly knows how to keep guests happy. But what makes it so special? Well, stick around because we're about to dive deep into every aspect of this Mediterranean paradise, from the rooms to the restaurants, the pools to the spa, and everything in between. Let's start by talking about where you'll be resting your head after long days of soaking up the Turkish sun. Barut Goia offers an impressive 613 rooms spread across 6 different categories, so whether you're traveling as a couple, bringing the whole family, or looking for something extra luxurious, they've got you covered. Every single room comes loaded with modern amenities that make your stay comfortable and convenient. We're talking air conditioning that actually works, which is crucial in the Turkish summer heat, free high-speed Wi-Fi so you can make your friends back home jealous with those beach photos, smart TVs for when you need some downtime, and even Nespresso machines because nobody should start their vacation day without proper coffee. The minibars get refilled daily with soft drinks and snacks, and you'll find plush bathrobes and slippers waiting for you, along with rain showers that make you feel like you're in a luxury spa every morning. Now let's break down your options. The standard rooms are the entry point at 28 square meters, which is actually pretty spacious for a standard category. You can choose between a king-size bed or twin beds depending on your preference, and each room has its own balcony where you can enjoy garden or pool views. These rooms can accommodate 2 adults plus 1 child, making them perfect for small families or couples who want luxury without breaking the bank. Prices range from around €200 per night in the quieter months to $450 during peak summer season, and remember, that's all-inclusive. Step up to the deluxe rooms and you're looking at 35 square meters of space with a king-size bed, a dedicated lounge area where you can actually spread out, and a larger balcony that offers either sea views or side sea views. The extra touches here include a pillow menu because apparently one type of pillow isn't enough anymore, a proper tea and coffee setup beyond just the Nespresso, and even bathroom scales for those who want to pretend they're watching their weight while on an all-inclusive vacation. These rooms can fit 2 adults and 2 children, with prices ranging from €250 to €500 depending on when you visit. For families who need even more space, the family rooms are 45 square meters of pure practicality. These feature 2 separate bedrooms with the option to connect rooms if you're traveling with another family or need even more space. The kids will love the bunk bed setup, and you can request a baby cot if you're traveling with little ones. With pool or garden views and capacity for 4 adults plus 1 child, these rooms are designed with real families in mind, not just the Instagram perfect version. Expect to pay between €300 and €600 per night. Now if you're ready to really treat yourself, the suites start at 60 square meters with a completely separate living room and bedroom. The king-size bedroom is your private sanctuary, while the living area gives you space to actually relax without feeling like you're sitting on your bed all day. You get an espresso machine upgrade, an ironing board for those who actually care about wrinkles on vacation, and a private terrace with full sea views that make you feel like you're on a yacht. These accommodate 2 adults and 2 children, with prices from €400 to €800. But wait, it gets better. The pool suites are 70 square meters of absolute vacation goals because they come with direct pool access. Yes, you read that right. You can literally step out of your room and into your own section of pool. There's an outdoor shower for rinsing off, and the whole setup feels like something from a luxury resort magazine. These are perfect for couples or small families who want that extra touch of exclusivity, running between €500 and €1,000 per night. At the very top of the range, the Panorama Suites are 90 square meters of pure indulgence. With 2 bedrooms, a rooftop terrace, and 180-degree sea views, these suites basically give you your own penthouse experience. There's an office desk if you absolutely must do some work, though honestly, if you're checking emails from here, you're doing vacation wrong. The wine cooler is a nice touch for those who like to enjoy a glass while watching the sunset, and the hot tub on the terrace seals the deal. These can accommodate 4 adults plus 1 child and range from €600 to €1,200 per night. Every room category gets those crisp white linens, modern minimalist decor with pops of blue that reflect the Mediterranean setting, and the kind of attention to detail that shows the hotel actually cares about your comfort. Guest photos consistently show spacious bathrooms, well-maintained furnishings, and those balcony views that make waking up early actually worthwhile. Now let's talk about one of the most important aspects of any all-inclusive resort, the food and drink situation. Barut Goia takes its dining seriously with 7 different venues covering everything from casual poolside snacks to elegant fine dining experiences. The ultra all-inclusive concept here means you're not just getting basic drinks and buffet food. We're talking premium liquors, quality wines, and a variety that keeps things interesting throughout your stay. The heart of the dining operation is the Goia Main Restaurant, a massive space that can seat 800 people and serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner buffet style. Before you roll your eyes at the word buffet, understand that this isn't your average steam table situation. The breakfast spread runs from 7 to 10 in the morning and includes everything from traditional Turkish breakfast items like fresh bread, olives, cheeses, and honey, to international options like pancakes, eggs cooked to order, and fresh pastries. Lunch runs from noon to 2 in the afternoon, and dinner service is from 7 to 9 in the evening. The variety is honestly impressive, with different stations dedicated to salads, hot dishes, grilled meats and seafood, pasta made to order, and desserts that could be their own separate restaurant. They do themed nights throughout the week, with Italian cuisine on Tuesdays and traditional Turkish specialties on Fridays, which helps keep things fresh even if you're staying for a week or more. The restaurant has ocean views, and while it can get busy during peak times, the staff manages the flow well. The dress code is smart casual, which basically means no swimwear, but you don't need to get super fancy. What really elevates the dining experience are the la carte restaurants, and yes, these are included in your all-inclusive package, though you do need reservations and typically get 1 visit per restaurant per stay. La Vita is the Italian spot, an elegant space that seats about 100 guests and serves dinner from 7 to 10. The menu focuses on classic Italian dishes done right. Think truffle pasta that actually tastes like truffle, wood-fired pizzas with that perfect crispy chewy crust, and tiramisu that makes you understand why this dessert became world famous. They offer wine pairings with the meals, and the intimate atmosphere makes it perfect for a romantic dinner or special occasion. The dress code here is elegant, so leave the flip-flops in your room. Then there's Dragonella, the Asian fusion restaurant that brings together flavors from across Asia in one menu. With seating for 80 guests, this spot serves up fresh sushi, teppanyaki cooked right in front of you, dim sum that rivals what you'd find in major cities, and all sorts of wok-fried dishes. They do special sushi nights where the selection expands even further, and the colorful presentation makes every dish Instagram-worthy, if that's your thing. Smart casual dress code applies here. For seafood lovers, Fischerman's is where you want to be. This beachfront restaurant seats 60 lucky guests and specializes in the freshest catches of the day. We're talking lobster, octopus prepared in traditional Mediterranean style, and all the meats you can handle. The restaurant prides itself on serving whatever was caught that morning, so the menu changes slightly based on availability. The sunset views from here are absolutely spectacular, and the elegant dress code makes sense given the upscale atmosphere and premium ingredients. Reservations are definitely required for this one. When you don't want a full sit-down meal, the Palm Beach Bar has you covered with poolside dining from 10 in the morning until 6 in the evening. This is your casual spot for burgers, fresh salads, and those infinity cocktails that seem to appear magically whenever your glass gets low. The swim-up bar section means you can literally order a drink without leaving the water, and they often have DJ sets in the afternoon that create a fun, energetic vibe. The casual dress code means swimwear is totally fine here, as it should be. For your caffeine fixes and sweet treats throughout the day, the lobby bar operates 24/7 with a focus on coffee, pastries, and both alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks. They serve proper Turkish coffee if you want to experience the local culture, and the baklava is the real deal, not the overly sweet tourist version. In the evenings, they often have live music that creates a sophisticated atmosphere without being stuffy. The casual dress code and comfortable seating make this a great spot to start or end your evening. Finally, the vitamin bar is the health-conscious option, operating from 10 to 6 daily with fresh-pressed juices, smoothies, and acai bowls. If you're trying to balance out all those buffet dinners and cocktails, this is your spot. The detox programs they offer actually use quality ingredients, and the bright, fresh atmosphere matches the healthy vibe they're going for. Throughout all these venues, the service consistently gets high marks in reviews. The staff seems to genuinely enjoy their work and they remember your preferences after just a day or two. The variety means you won't get bored even on longer stays, and the quality across all venues maintains that 5-star standard the hotel promises. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.